Okay, so today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 14 Pro in deep purple. We have that two-tab system which you have to kind of pull open to open the box, and here we have the phone. I do like the colour of this phone. We have the SIM opening tool, some manuals here, and the usual Apple sticker is here as well. Okay, let's go back to the phone then. So this is the deep purple iPhone 14 Pro. To be fair, it's quite a dark shade, and on the camera here you can only see the purple when it's angled in a particular way, but it's a very kind of rich purple colour. Looks very nice, especially when the light hits it at certain angles. And here we are turning the phone on. Okay, so this is my unboxing of the iPhone 14 Pro. Let me know what you think of the phone, let me know what you think of this video. Just leave a comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.